Good morning. My name is Yuvan, son of Ravi. My matric number is 33DTM 19F2058. My title is Autism and its Characteristics. What is autism? Autism means complex lifelong developments, disability that typical appearance during early childhood and can impact a person's social skills, communication, relationships, and self-realization. Certain set of behavior, and it's a spectral condition that affects people differently and to varying degrees. Next. Characteristics and diagnosis. There are two types of characteristics. Personal difference and in communication, interpersonal relationships, and interaction across different environments. First, having atypical speech patterns, having trouble understanding communication, difficulty making and keeping friends, difficult maintaining typical back and forth conversation style, being non-verbal. Restriction and repeated behavior, pattern, activities, and interest. Repeating sound of praise, repetitive movements, extreme sensitive or low sensitive. Prevalence are prevalence of autism rising to in every 59, twice as great as the 2004 rate of 1 in 125. Autism impacts people regardless of race or ethnicity. They are racial and ethnic disparity in diagnosis. According to the CDC, ADDM reports have considered note that more while children are identified with ASD than black or Hispanic children. Currently, boys are also apparent 4.5 times more likely to have an autism diagnosis than girls of the same age. Autism prevalence over the year, starting 2000 until 2014. They are more increasing in 2010 until 2014. This is the reference for the chart. Autism prevalence has increased 178% since 2000. Before 1970 until 1995, they are normal situation. After year 2000, they are increased as twice. Next. Early sign, speak later than typical or not all the time. Repetition in language or movement, such as repeating the same word or sound and flapping or any repeat movement. Typical non-verbal communication, including avoiding eye contact, giving few facial expression, or having monotonic. Preferring solitary or pair-like play rather than engaging in association of comparison play with other children. Extremely distressed by changes, includes no food or changing in schedules. Prefer or pretending schedule play over symptoms or making believe play. Strong present interest on specific topic, part of a toy or an item. These are the symptoms of the level 3, and there are the three types of symptoms, level 1 and level 2. And then the conclusion are, autism is a lifelong development disability. The characteristics of disability, little or lack of speech development, avoiding social contact or awareness, and rotating of behavior are not expressed in the same degrees of everyone living with autism. It is basically about the severness of autism. That one is effects on, say, if it can be cured or not. Minor autism level can be cured at an early age if particularly therapy is given. However, the severe one can't be cured but can mildly treated. Thank you.